God, please, no! 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 No!
Good job. Yep. Oh. There. Oh. Come on. I would use my finger for that. Wait, how many punches this one for right here?
The winners. What's up, it's your boy DaVerseOfficial back again with another video, and in this video, yeah, it's been a headache. Basically got rid of the other truck. Paperwork was done wrong on it. You guys probably seen the clips and everything that I had posted on the previous video, but yeah, like I said, the paperwork was wrong, and basically
it's a strong old deal.
it's a strong one.
It's a strong old deal.
It's a strong one.
Alright.
Yeah, but anyways, yeah. Basically with the other truck, it had the chrome and the white. I wanted basically the white and black. But with that one, it was more expensive. It had more technology, but you guys know my channel is all about customizing everything from car audio to RC. That's why the channel's name is DaVerseOfficial. A lot of people ask me what do I do on my channel, but it's basically everything. How-tos, tutorials to help everybody so you guys don't have to stress about, you know, how things work or whatever. And I try my best to respond back to comments and questions, anything that you guys have. I try to respond to as much knowledge as I have to help you guys, and I learn a lot too from the comment section. But yeah, basically with the other truck, as I'll put in a clip that's probably on this side of me, the front grille had chrome with the black and the white accents, but with this one over here, it's gonna have, well, what this truck is, it's basically black with the whited out grille. It had the chrome bumper, but if you can see right here with this truck, it has the white bumper. This is exactly how I wanted it, where it has the white rear bumper. The new 2025 tail lights, they were more on the Lone Star edition. It was red, like straight red, but this one it's like sport edition. It's blacked out right here. Don't mind the truck, it's hecka dirty. But the Ram symbol was also chromed out. Black on this one. I was gonna plastic dip the other truck, but it just looked like a truck. You know, when you think about a truck for $68,000, you want it to have all the bells and whistles on the inside and the outside. Me personally, I want it to look better on the outside. The inside, I'm gonna customize everything. You know, the other truck had 9 or 10 speakers set up with the amplifier and all that, but everything was incorporated in the head unit. So if I was to tamper with anything, it had active noise cancellation, the microphone, so when it came to putting subwoofers, 5-channel amplifier in there, the, what is it called? I can't even think of it right now. blind spot detection that's on there. Anytime that light comes on and it does that beeping noise, that pop, pop, to let you know that there's something on your side, having that active noise cancellation amplified with an aftermarket amplifier and stereo system, it's 15 times loud. So it's pop, pop, and it's just ear piercing. It's ridiculous. So I went for more of a basic truck. On the inside, it's the 8.4 inch uconnect screen still, not the 12-inch one like the other one. The technology is still there, but it's no amplifier that was, you know, Alpine or anything that Mopar gives with you. So then I can incorporate my own aftermarket and everything just ties in better. This truck doesn't have active noise cancellation. It just has the 2 mics at the front, you know, for Bluetooth whenever you're talking on the phone or whatever. But yeah, basically the new truck. Of course, I'm going to customize the LED lights, underglow, inside. There's a lot more that I'm going to do, but I'm just going to keep it on the, just like, what is it, Call of Duty Black Ops. You know, it's a pipe down, censorship. But yeah, on this one, it's the white with the black trims, just like I wanted to let you guys see the rims. The other one had the actual factory gray rims, and they were 17s, but this one, the bigger rims, the chrome, the sport, it just looks more sporty, exactly how I wanted it. In the other video, I left links to the description on all the models from a 2019 to a 2025. If you have a 2025 truck and you're looking for the Canon air filter or any lights, everything is compatible from 2019 to 25. So if you go to AutoZone or Amazon and you're looking for stuff for your 2025 or 2024, everything from the 2019 to 2025 is compatible. It's the same exact thing. They'll tell you, if you ask them for the 2025, they're gonna say, oh, it's not in our system, we don't have it, it's too advanced. No, it's the same exact model as 2024 all the way down to the 19. But that's as far as, depends on your trim level of your car. If you have, don't you just love when diesel trucks when you're at work? Yeah, it is, what time is it? It's like almost 4 o'clock in the morning. We just got off of work. I don't know why he's so quiet behind the camera, because he's gonna be in this video like hardcore. Yeah, we just got off of work. We are tired, exhausted, and it's no shave November. You know, I'm still gonna shave because I like to be smooth. But yeah, basically, long story short, I'm gonna go ahead and customize this truck a lot more than the other one. It's just a lot of stuff was going on with that one, and it's no shade to Meador, Chrysler, Dodge. It was just a struggle, like you said. But there's a couple good guys there that I'll go ahead and put at the end of this video that actually really helped me out and made sure that everything was taken care of and that I was satisfied and I was happy with my purchase, because before it was not a great experience.
Show them the front.
Huh?
You gotta show them the front.
Oh yeah, I'll let you guys see it, man. That's enough yip yap for me. But yeah, stay tuned to the next video. The clips are gonna roll right about now. Need anything, this is the man to take care of you
I'm still here.
Yeah.
I've been here for 15 years. I've been here that long because I still believe in the place. I still believe in the way we take care of people, just like we did you. Sometimes things are imperfect, but it's how you end the day. It's how you sleep at night, when you take care of families. And at Meador, that's why we simply do it better. We're going to continue, and I hope that you're back. I hope that you send your friends. Now that you know that business doesn't end just because the truck's delivered. Business ends when everybody's happy when business is truly handled. God bless you.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much, man.
For the whole squad, head still on the swing for patrol cars. Know the flow so dope, need a no guard. In the road, give me ease, I'm a coast to the coast guard. Wanna see my whole car. Used to roll on the slow like the boy from the Lone Star. Still here, I ain't gone far. Keep it cool in the mood, gotta match my tint. Dark in the cup, I'm lit. Don't waste time contemplating what hit. It's way too many ways to get rich. Just up what my initials were. Slim sit that I can't miss alert. They got the crowd, I got the church. Open verse 2, come get the word, then hit the curve. I feel like blessing my ride today. I know how much she like rolling. The smoke from the ties away. No telling where we'll be going, but I'm gon' be on it, you know it for sure. I might leave shorty in the crib. Can't stress by nobody child today. That's why I'm out on my own. Someplace I could hide away. I feel like blessing my ride today. I feel like blessing my ride today. Swear make the world shut down and bring quiet to the ride. It's all been round, I mean, and that wrong with me time, is it? Ain't there every day, but at least I kick it. 2 types of therapy, one my driver's seat, 2 them thighs, you piece that together. I bet my high get reached. Thank Gandhi ain't had this kind of peace. In arms reach is my attitude adjuster. In the clutch, I bring pressure. Till sunny get close, I won't let you. My tongue it get spoken in lectures. This art made to spark inspo. This part off of my kin focus start. Off instrumentals, then car out the yo kickers and cars. I feel like